In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop most Steam VR games from crashing. This process is simple and should take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your Steam app. Make sure you're on the device where you have your Steam VR and games installed. Once you have Steam open, you'll need to log into your account. If you're already logged in, perfect. If not, look for the login button and go ahead and click on it. Now it's time to enter your account details, including your username and password. Be sure your information is accurate to avoid any login issues. Click on the sign in button once you've entered your credentials. Before proceeding, it's crucial to ensure all necessary preparation is done. First, unplug and plug back in all your VR ports and connections. This simple step can often resolve problems with device connectivity. If you've been experiencing crashes, checking these connections is a sound troubleshooting practice. Next, it's time to tackle the Oculus software. Should you be using Oculus hardware? If you're having persistent trouble, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Oculus software. This can sometimes clear up any software related issues that could be causing headaches with Steam VR. With all that sorted, head back to your Steam homepage. Navigate over to your library and find the menu icon, often referred to as the hamburger icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to access more settings. In the menu that appears, you'll want to check the VR checkbox. This will show all the VR titles you have in your Steam library, including the Steam VR itself. Find Steam VR in this list and give it a right click. You'll then want to select Properties from the context menu that appears. From here, navigate to the Betas tab at the top of the Properties window. This is where you'll manage beta participation for your Steam VR software. In the Betas tab, you should select the Beat Steam VR Beta Update option. Participating in beta programs often means you get the latest fixes and updates that might not yet be available in the stable releases. Opting into this beta version of Steam VR is a common way to potentially resolve crashing issues because it includes the most recent bug fixes. Once you've made this selection, the updates will automatically apply. With these adjustments, your Steam VR crashing issues should be significantly reduced, if not entirely eradicated. And there you have it. That's how you can stop most Steam VR games from crashing. Make sure you test your VR setup thoroughly with a few of your favorite games. If these steps helped you resolve your issues, let us know in the comments below, and as always, happy gaming.